do you evaluate how the team fared in that challenge?
We did a good job actually. Mahirap ipasok yung entry pass na yun kay Aaron. I think all teams are trying to deny us that entry pass, but we did a good job making that pass work. Natsyempohan din namin yung Hinebra na ang ganda ng shooting nila last game. I think they're a little tired because they just played nung Friday, so medyo pagod pa sila. Ganda ng shooting nila last Friday. So, maasa ako na medyo mag-low of averages medyo bumaba yung percentage nila. Bumaba naman, pero yung 4-point shooting ng import nila, masyado mataas. Naging problema namin yung 4-point shots ni Grigsby. Pero overall, masaya ako sa depensa namin, masaya ako sa rebounding namin. Masaya din ako sa assist. 29 assist pala kami.
Thank you, Coach Yang. Now we would like to open the floor to our friends from the press.
Coach, congratulations. After 0-2 start, you won the last 2 games. Ano kayo saya dun sa turnaround mo after that slow start sa conference?
Yes, yan sabi ko sa team na if you want to get back in contention or at least give ourselves a chance to make top 4 in our group, we must win this game. Get us back sa race and then look forward to improving. Disappointing yung first 2 losses namin, but I think it's a wake-up call. After that, we've been playing better defense tsaka better rebounding. Hindi ako worried about offense I think we score 100 points, more than 100 points every game. So it's really just playing good defense, rebounding. When we get our rebounds, we're able to run. So itong mga bata, nag-focus lang sila dun sa mga bagay na kailangan namin gawin. Kaya siguro nakabawi kami. 2 wins after 2 losses.
Kailan, congratulations. Tonight you had 21 points. You shot 5 3-pointers. Your outside shoot is one of the reasons why you're able to beat Managay Metro.
I think that's just a product of the system. If I don't shoot my threes, this guy will yell at me. So I'm more impressed with Adrian Nocum's 10 assists. I think he's developing into a fine point guard for us, which was the next step in his evolution. I think, Luis Villegas, he changes the whole look for us as a team. We have another spacer on the floor. So it's just a product of the system that I got the looks tonight, and it was just my job to make some of them. So good win for us.
You know your team started at the start of the conference. You hear from Coach Yang, but from you guys, how are you able to discuss as players to turn things around?
I think obviously, as the media knows, we had an interesting offseason. Mamu was such a big part of our team. Losing Mamu, it created kind of a different air in the gym. He was a loud and a vocal leader for us. So it took us a couple weeks to really adjust, and I think it takes effort from every single one of our guys. Not one person's going to make up for the energy and leadership he brought. So we're all kind of figuring it out now. Like I said, there's just a lot of guys stepping up. Mike Malonzo's playing great basketball. We have Deo playing great basketball. It's a team effort for sure. And obviously we're relying on Aaron, and Aaron's been very consistent for us.
Coach, kasi parang kasing nung last game pa against Phoenix, parang hindi nabanggit din ni Kailan. Tumataas yung assist rate, assist numbers ni Adrian. Was it by design or is it thinking naman himself to become?
Yeah, we actually, on purpose, trying to play him a lot more minutes at the point. His decision making is getting better, more mature, and he's also partly nagpapakita din siya ng leadership. We lost Mamo, our team captain, and Kailan took over as team captain. But I think si Kaylan as the leader now is able also to inspire other guys, no, to be part of that leadership and be accountable to their teammates. No? So I think that's part of the maturity of the team. We're able to adjust to the situations, and then see Adrian is getting better in a different field. He's not just looking to score, he's looking to make his teammates better. And sa akin, magandang sign yun.